Good morning, everyone. This is your moral teaching period. Today we will start new story, The Eye of the Bird. So everyone open lesson number 9 and write down today's date in quotation. Today's date is 19th.1.21 and the quotation is hope is life. Student, story is based on virtue concentration. So first I will read the story, then I will explain you. So let's start reading. Everyone take out your pencil. Guru Dronacharya. Guru Dronacharya was teaching his disciples, the Kauravas and the Pandavas, the skill of archery. He hung a toy bird from the branch of a tree. He called his disciples one by one and told them to aim at the eye of the bird. He asked each one of them what they could see. Some replied they could see everything. Some replied they could see the branches. Some replied they could see the leaves, while some could see the bird. The Guru was very disappointed. He commented, "You have not learned the art of archery. You are unable to take the aim." Finally, he called Arjun and asked him to take the aim. When Dronacharya repeated his question, Arjun replied, "Gurudev, at this moment I can only see the eye of the bird." The Guru was very pleased with Arjun. He said, "Arjun is the only one who has learned the art of taking the aim properly." Arjun aimed at the eye of the toy bird and got success. Children, in real life, also you need to concentrate towards your aim. In your daily life, your aim should be to finish the whole day work the same day. If you have not finished your work, concentrate and finish it at the earliest. Concentration helps you finishing your work on time. It also makes you work better, so your attention should be entirely focused on what you are doing. When you do one thing at a time, you can pay your full day attention to it. Students, now I am telling you some meaning. Disciples, you know what is the meaning of disciples? Means students, people, okay. And the meaning of archery means art of using bow and arrow. You know what is bow and arrow? See, this is the bow and arrow. This is called dhanushwan. So when you know how to use this bow and arrow is called archery, okay. And the other one is meaning of concentration means full attention, okay. Students, this is a story from the Mahabharata. You know Mahabharata about concentration. After death of the king Pandu, his wife Kunti brought the 5 Pandavas to Hastinapur, where they grew up. Their 100 cousins, Kaurav. Now their teacher in the art of welfare was the great Dronacharya. He is Dronacharya, and here some students, pupil, Pandav and Kaurav. So their teacher in the art of welfare was the great Dronacharya. A teacher is not supposed to have favorites, but Drona could not help being partial to Arjun, the third Pandav. So students, one day when Dronacharya was teaching archery to his students, he the Kaurav and Pandav the skill of archery. He take the test. He want to take the test ki how they learned about the archery. So he hung the bird, toy bird, on the branch of the tree and call his students one by one and said told them to aim at the eye of the bird. Means he once asked them to shoot a bird on the tree by aiming its eye. He called them one by one and showing the bird and asked them what they saw. Everyone said. Some said they see the whole tree. Some say they see the leaves and flowers. Everyone except Arjun said that they saw the tree, the branches, the bird, etc. And so everyone missed the target. Finally, he called Arjun and asked him to take the target. So Arjun had been practicing archery day and night and was the best archer among the student of Dronacharya. So when Arjun turn came Dronacharya inquired him as follows: Drona, what do you see? Arjun, I see the eye of the bird. Drona, do you see the tree? So Arjun said, no. Do you see the branch? Arjun said, no. Drona, do you see the bird? So again Arjun said, no. So Drona said, then what as do you see? Arjun said, nothing. Arjun realized that only the eye of the bird. He wants the only target. You can see in the picture. What Arjun see? Arjun see the eye of the bird, only eye of the bird. Then his guru was very pleased to him and said only Arjun had learned the archery properly. So Arjun aimed at the eye of the toy bird and he gets success. So student, in the real life also you have to need concentrate about your goal. Aim means your goal. If you want to become a doctor, then you do full practice. Do learn all time, proper time, give your studies. Then you get your aim. If you have full concentration. So student, if you want to achieve something, you must focus on it. Close out all the distractions and concentrate only on your target. I am again telling you the moral is the story. When you want to achieve something, something, you must focus on it. Close out all other distractions and concentrate on only your target. Then you get the success. Otherwise, you can't get the success. So concentration is very important for the students. Thank you. Read the chapter and learn the hard words.